In this video we will talk about Levitra uses dosage sides effects, Levitra an essence for sexual satisfaction. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Levitra an essence for sexual satisfaction. Marital relationship involves adjustment, compromise, trust and understanding with your partner. Has your partner become indifferent towards you, thinking that you have lost interest in her? Finding it tough to have a long and stable erection, leaving your sexual partner unsatisfied? No hassles, Levitra can be the perfect cure to your problem. Levitra is an oral prescription medication approved by Food and Drug Administration for the treatment of erectile dysfunction, popularly known as impotency in men. It works by relaxing the muscles of the penis and increasing the blood flow to the penis. Once blood flow is changed, a natural erection will happen automatically. But it does not work on its own. A natural stimulation is a must. Sexual stimulation is a must to achieve the best out of Levitra and to enjoy satisfactory sexual experience. A long-lasting erection can be achieved giving you sexual satisfaction to the fullest with Levitra. Levitra tablets are available in 2.5 mg, 5 mg, 10 mg and 20 mg. One dose of Levitra tablet each day is more than enough. Don't take an overdose, it may cause some side effects. It should be taken with a glass of water at least 1 hour before the sexual activity, but new studies says that it can work within just 16 minutes. Though, you must have heard about Viagra, but Levitra is more effective than it, giving you better satisfactory results. Viagra takes much greater time to start its work. It will work effectively for men who could not get any benefit out of Viagra. Levitra delivers better and pleasurable sexual intercourse by maintaining the penis erection. Where to shop for Levitra? If by now you have decided to buy a Levitra for yourself, giving a better experience to your partner, you can shop for Levitra from physical pharmacy shops. But in case you don't have the time or find it inconvenient to go out of your home, just relax, now you can buy Levitra online. Various online sites nowadays offer Levitra. You just need to fill up a small form online and they will ship your order at the earliest. You can also get an online medication prescription from expert and professional pharmacists available at various online pharmacy websites. Enjoy the ease and comfort of getting the desired Levitra medication with online pharmacies. You have always wanted to keep your partner happy, then why to make any compromise in terms of sexual satisfaction? Give happiness to her in the bed also. Use Levitra, but make sure to follow the instructions as prescribed by your doctor. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.